Today, we're taking a closer look at the TT Technologies Grundomat piercing tool. A powerful trenchless solution that delivers long, accurate bores through even the toughest ground conditions. Let's show you how it works. First, uncoil the hoses. Connect the hoses to the lubricator and air compressor. Make sure that the safety rings are tightened. Connect the air hose to the tool and wrap the connection with electrical tape. Determine the length of the bore. Align and check the level of the tool using a smart level. Throttle the Grundomat back for boring. Once the tool has entered the soil, stop and check the alignment. Adjust if necessary and continue boring operations. During operations, monitor bore progress and check the hoses regularly. Upon bore completion, turn off the air compressor and bleed off the air pressure. Disconnect the tool from the air hose. Make sure to cover the end of the tool using the blue cap to prevent any tool contamination. And that's a successful bore. The Grundomat just completed a clean, accurate shot, perfectly on target. Now we're ready to pull in the new pipe and finish the installation. Attach a threaded pipe pulling adapter to the product pipe. Connect it to the air hose. Secure the connection with tape. Pull the new pipe in place while pulling out the air hose. A quick, successful bore and an easy pipe pull, all thanks to the Grundomat. Our team's impressed, and we're proud to now be an authorized Grundomat sales, service, and repair center with TT Technologies. Contact your local sales rep today or stop by your nearest Georgia Underground Superstore.